Hi friends, this is 25 liters Philips OTG which is having opti temperature technology. That means it ensures uniform cooking of the ingredients with benefit of optimum browning, better crispiness and supports higher nutritional retention. The best part is it is having 10 inbuilt preset menus which is very convenient and easy to operate. This OTG comes with 2-year warranty. Let us see the features of this Philips OTG. Look-wise, it is very stylish. OTG is grey in color, having see-through glass door and a handle which is made up of steel and plastic body. Handles get hot when it is in operating mode. It is better to use gloves while opening the doors. Rotisserie and rotisserie tongs are given for non-veg cooking. A baking tray is given for baking cookies, biscuits and it is very helpful. A baking tray tong is also given for taking out the baking tray from the oven. This steel rack is used for making tikkas, grilling and used as a rack for baking cakes. This crumb tray prevents messiness in the oven and can be used as a rack while baking. A recipe book and a manual book comes with this OTG, and in the recipe book we can find 42 detailed recipes like tikka, cake, naan katai, choco chip cookies, butter cookies, pizza, etc. A detailed manual book comes with OTG which helps to know about OTG. This OTG is having 3 racks. But the cord is very short and it needs 60 Hz socket. When we switch on the plug, we can hear 3 beep sound. A good air vent is given on upper side and both the sides. It heats up very fast and also cools down very fast. The control panel is having 3 buttons: function, light and start and stop. All the buttons are having indicators which is very helpful. There are 2 knobs, one is for temperature and one is for time, and you can set the time and temperature. The dots looks little flimsy but they do the job. It is having a digital display panel with 10 preset menus. Whenever it starts, it shows the bake mode with preset of 30 minutes and the temperature of 180 degrees centigrade. You can see here the 10 preset menus, and for toasting and bagel, you can set the browning level from 1 to 7. And the time also changes accordingly. You can see here all the preset menus are having different time sets and different temperatures. All are preset. We can set the time to the maximum of 60 minutes here. Minimum temperature can be set here is 65 degrees centigrade and the maximum is 230 degrees centigrade. You can find 10 presets like toast, bagel, pizza, bake, broil, cookies, roast, grill, tikka and preheat. It's having easy preheat settings. Once the preheat is done, select the mode of baking and press the start button. Once the baking is done, it gives a beep. Here I have shown some trials on this OTG like spicy biscuits, focaccia bread, wheat and jaggery cake, some roasted masala peanuts which turn very well with minimum oil, wheat banana cake with chocolate grated on it. It turned so crisp on the outer layer. Pizza and chocolate cake with nuts. Hope you liked this video, and this is my personal review on this OTG. Thanks for watching.